Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to make checkbox selection in Adobe XD. So the first thing I'm going to do is to draw out a rectangle. So this is my rectangle. So I'm going to style it up a little bit. So I'll give it a border radius of 20. So I will give a fill color of and that looks nice. So in this case now, I will bring out my text tool. So I will type not selected. I think I have to change the fill color of the so I think that's better. So in this case I will draw the checkbox. So by using a rectangle tool, so I'll try to align that, and that's okay. So size. So I'll reduce the opacity of this. So I'll give that as well, and I'll change the fill color. So I'll give it the same fill color of this. So I'll grab an eyedropper tool here. I'll come here. I'll select that. Then reduce the opacity. So the next thing I'm going to select the two of them. So by holding down shift, then I'll go to component. So you can see the plus button here, so I'll click the button there, and then I'll click another button that is to add a new state. So I'll click on the new state. So I'll go inside the new state. So at this point I want to increase the opacity of the not selected to 100, and then I'll also increase the opacity of this, and then I will change the fill color of that. I'll grab the eyedropper tool and I'll go here. I'll select. So another thing I will do is I will deselect the border, and another thing I'm going to do is to bring out the pen tool and draw out a check. So I'll just zoom in. So I'll press down shift key. So I'll deselect. I'll go to the border. I'll change the color to white. So I will deselect this. I'll go to the border size. I'll change it to 2. Then I have to reduce the size. So align it. So that looks nice. So next I'm going to do is to make this a little bit whiter. Right, I think that is nice. So you can see this is the default state and this is the new state. So I will name the new state check. The next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to give this a name, this particular component name. So I will give it selected. And then I'm going to group it by holding Control D, Control G, sorry. So I'll give this, I will rename this to options. So what I'm going to do that I will go to prototype at this point. So I'll choose destination. Destination is checked. So everything should be, trigger should be tapped, type transition. So the animation should be known. So I'll do the same thing for check. So transition destination should be the default state. So I'll go back to design view. So at this point I'll go to stack and then vertical stack. I'll click on the select on vertical stack. I'll go inside the component and I will duplicate it. Next thing I'm going to do is to align it. So that looks nice. So what I'm going to do next is to preview. So I will just preview. Selected, 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 selected. Not selected, selected. So that looks nice. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.